okay, as a reaction to your federal funds rate going up. So this has to do with regulation of commercial banks. So regulation of commercial banks. Now, apart from regulation of commercial banks, they also help stabilize the macroeconomy. All right, and they do so via monetary policies and by acting as a lender of last resort. So when commercial banks run out of money, okay, when they can't lend money to each other, let's say they don't have enough in reserves, okay, they're out of reserves or required reserves go up because of whatever reason, okay, or let's say they're trying to scale in size, okay, by increasing or bumping up their capacity to lend more money in terms of mortgages, loans, so on and so forth. So in that case, what's going to happen is, okay, the central bank will act as a lender of last resort in case the bank is going through a bankruptcy. Okay, so we're talking about a consumer proposal, for example. So central bank basically acts as an intermediary. They act as an organization that offers consumer proposals to your commercial banks. Okay, and the reason why they do this is because obviously the commercial banks don't have reserves. Okay, if they don't have money within their economic system, okay, what's going to happen is, okay, eventually they will go bankrupt. People will start withdrawing their money. Depositors will withdraw their money. And this is the source, this is the supply of money for the commercial banks. If depositors withdraw their money, central banks, they have to act as a lender resort because commercial banks do not have a source of money. All right, so that has to do with stabilizing the macroeconomy. All right, so stabilizing the macroeconomy. So stabilize macroeconomy. Apart from stabilizing the macroeconomy, another function of the central bank is to provide a payment system. Right, so this is provide a payment system. So we're all aware of payment methods such as e-transfers, checks, okay, cash, okay, so on and so forth. Now, what these central banks do, they provide a payment system by clearing checks and long-distance payments. So this is payment system. Right, so these are some of the functions of the central banks. Okay, this is Ubaid on behalf of V Electronics. Have yourself a great day.